What's up, guys? John from McNeil.com here, and I wanted to pop out here just for a couple minutes because I wanted to give you guys some information and somewhat of an update on a couple things that I want to do to help you accelerate your growth in terms of building your affiliate marketing business. Now, a long time ago, I had started a course. It was called Your First Affiliate Sale. And I started this course and I actually never finished it. Life just got in the way and I never actually finished this course. Now, fast forward to today, I thought to myself a couple weeks ago, I wanted to go ahead and finish this course, and I started putting together PowerPoint slides and things to actually create this course, and I was gonna put it in a membership site and do the whole nine. And I thought to myself, it might even be more helpful if I turned the actual course into like a live workshop. So instead of me actually teaching you theory and going through a whole bunch of PowerPoints and saying, this is how you start building your affiliate marketing business, why don't I just create a business for you, somewhat of a workshop, so you actually see the whole process that I actually go through when I'm actually, picking a product, creating a sales funnel, and getting traffic to actually make money. So that's what I'm going to be doing, guys, with your first affiliate sale. This won't be like a traditional product. It will be more so like training videos, a workshop, but it will be like something that I'm literally going to use. What I'm going to set up for you in these training videos is something that I'm going to actually use for myself to set up a campaign and actually make money for myself, so you actually see it actually live. So here's the good news. I know that a lot of you guys may be thinking, is this course going to be a paid course? Is it going to be expensive? Do I have to pay to get access to it? So let's just let the cat out the bag right now. This course is going to be absolutely free. There's going to be no charge whatsoever for it. So go ahead and put your purses and wallets away. You're going to get access to this training completely free. Now, here's the one and only caveat. The one and only caveat is that I'm actually going to be releasing this course on my second YouTube channel. That's the John McNeil Internet Marketing Reviews channel. And the reason why I'm doing that is I'm actually building up this channel to be more so of a case study channel. I want to show the actual campaigns and the things that I do behind the scenes to actually generate money. So the whole purpose of the second channel is to talk about the different products, the programs, the tools that I use, as well as the case study. So this is going to be like a case study that shows you how I actually go behind the scenes and how do I pick the products and why do I pick the products, how I'm setting up the squeeze page, what am I going to say on the bridge page, how am I going to get traffic. You're going to see firsthand. I'm going to be walking through this whole process for you, so you'll be able to see it live as I'm actually creating all of this stuff. So in the link in the description, it will be the link to my second YouTube channel. All you have to do is go over to the second YouTube channel and go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and click the notifications, because you don't know when I'm going to be releasing these videos. It's going to be soon, but I want you guys to subscribe and go ahead and click the notifications so that you get notified when I release these training videos. So again, it's going to be your first affiliate sale. It's going to be a workshop, a training workshop that I'm going to be actually walking through the process of what I go through in order to set up a campaign to promote a product. I'm going to tell you the reasons why I do whatever I'm going to be doing, and you guys will be able to see that firsthand. You can interact, ask questions, and it'll be a good time to actually learn and help grow your online business. So all you have to do now is just go down in the link in the description and go ahead and subscribe to my second YouTube channel, and then wait for those videos to be released. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.